we did talk to producer of Korean.
Yeah. Now Parasite movie now very popular. Parasite. Also Taiwan or Thailand. But here don't import this I don't know why. Because Taiwan or Japan, China is now Parasite now very popular. Story very unique. Story.
Cinemas now showing.
Parasite meaning is
Warm.
a worm, instate something warm. The social problem, rich family meron, poor family meron. But anyway, that story, suspense. Anyway, social problem or something like that.
Maybe worm in intestine.
But only